Hi everyone! So we come to you from Florence, Italy.
I can't believe she's here!
I'm here!
It's kind of insane. Like, I mean, we talk about it a little bit throughout the video, but this was such a spur of the moment thing.
It literally was. I only know like a couple people here studying abroad, and I kind of just like, I just wanted to come. I was just like, I see them out there in Florence and I'm like...
Okay, don't get us wrong. Her aunt works for an airline.
No, my aunt works for an airline, so
It's not like, I'm gonna go to Florence now.
Yeah, no, it wasn't like, oh, like, one day from the next. No, it was like, I asked her and she was like, she could put me on the plane, so she was just like, you know what? Have fun. Go.
This was why I posted that picture of both of us together and we're like, and was like, exciting things coming. This is what I was referring to.
The exciting things. But
so,
yes,
she created this look on my face today and we're gonna go around the city and take pictures.
I'm not made up yet.
After I do her makeup.
Exactly. So
in the next video probably.
We're just applying our skills on each other, which was like weird.
This is the first time.
Yeah, like I was applying makeup on her and I was just like, you know, I apply makeup on other people and I'm like, whatever, like it's normal, but like when I was doing it on her, I was just like I don't know, like this is like she
like
can do it herself, like, but like it's all good.
Also, this is like new, so not only are we in Florence, not only are we doing a photo shoot, but we're like using each other as the models and having each other do each other's makeup. Like I don't think I've ever had anyone else do my makeup ever.
Really?
Like maybe once, maybe once.
I had my makeup done once in my life.
I think it was once.
And I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna learn how to apply makeup on myself because I didn't really like it, how they did it.
So if you want to find out how to get this look, then just keep on watching.
I just went in really hard.
Never had my makeup done.
I know.
It's so weird.
I'm usually the one on the other end.
I know.
I'm like vigorously dabbing at your eye. I feel bad for people who I do their makeup because I just like
go in.
Yeah, I don't really care about them getting shit in their eyes. I'm like, just hold still, and they're like
they're like trying.
Especially people who are not used to it.
Right.
And I'm putting like eyeliner on and they're moving too much. I'm like, well,
that's what you get.
Bueno. Look up.
Can you even believe we're here? Like that we're doing.
I know.
It seems like such a joke.
When you cross the Atlantic Ocean to film a makeup video.
To put it simply, yes, but at the same time, we're not there.
I know. Like we're here like, yeah, we're gonna travel the world and film videos everywhere, and it's just like we're not there yet and we're already doing it.
It's great. No, this is amazing. I'm so happy this worked out.
That goes with your skin, like it doesn't
okay, good.
Like wash it out.
Good, good.
Or did I just scratch my face?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm so excited. Fabi's gonna do my brows. We're switching it up today.
I know. Alright.
Okay. I have the tarte shape tape, but that one's really white.
The tarte shape
tape.
Tarte shape.
It's really white. Like I don't know how that would work right now. Like even before it was like pushing it a little bit.
You're gonna mix it.
Okay. Ow.
Yeah, this one's dark. Let me see the shape.
Why do you call it that?
What was the second word?
Shape tape.
Oh.
I can picture you saying it in every single one of our videos. So wait, am I even in frame? Am I in frame?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. Things are happening that we haven't done.
Oh. Maybe it's Maybelline. Maybelline.
I already did that.
I don't know what you sung, but that's not the jingle.
Maybelline. I'm just like, yeah, Maybelline.
They should add that part to it.
Yeah. That in the beginning.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Maybelline.
The echo effect. This is a chatty get ready with us.
This is a chatty.
So chatty. But they like have to cut us some slack. We haven't seen each other in like a few weeks.
I know.
What did you just do? Like, what's that for? You see, I learned from FABI.
What's that for?
Like you drew it like this? Oh, to highlight my...
Just to have
where
like,
the light hits.
yes.
You're probably dead while you do that.
What?
So I'm like...
Getting possessed. Turn this way.
Turns the other way.
I even pointed which
I
way to turn.
It's really early. You went to sleep late.
Like, well, you went to sleep late.
I went to sleep late.
I was like, knock.
I know,
knock
you
out.
were like, bye-bye. In my Venice video, I stuttered so much because I was so tired. I like couldn't speak.
I haven't seen that one yet.
You have to watch it. Everyone has to watch it. Watch the Venice
You opened your eyes
video.
so wide for that.
I know.
Everyone has to watch it.
To make a point. Don't make me laugh. I don't want to wrinkle in crease.
I don't want to wrinkle.
Because she hasn't set my face yet. So right now, like any face that I make can make or break the look. Okay, I usually do. See, she's learning from me too. It's okay.
Okay.
There's a pigeon on the roof.
You said it like it was like.
Oh, it just pooped!
You said that with such like, there's a pigeon on the roof, as if like that doesn't happen here. No crease.
I was doing this girl's makeup the other day and I dropped the beauty blender. Like it just fell out from like...
Of your hand?
Yeah, I don't know how that
You just kept using it on his face.
I was like, no. We like laughed about it and then I cleaned it a little bit.
A little bit. You cleaned it.
Cleaned it.
The order that I do things like is incorrect.
It's, I mean...
I'm like, you
what
know.
makes one more correct, you know?
Yeah.
So you go to sleep with your brows done.
I just don't take it off.
Right.
Because I have to like,
Can you imagine?
yeah,
No,
before I
it's not
go
like
to
she
sleep.
does them to go to sleep.
Yeah.
She just like...
I never,
takes them off.
yeah. So like this is, if I didn't do my eyebrows like today or any day, like it'd probably go away in like 3 days. Just because I don't.
Wow. What palette is this?
It's like an old Tarte one. Aqua release. It had like neutral colors and like a blue, like a light. It was a really pretty blue.
Mm-hmm.
And my sister like broke it.
Blame it on your sister.
I mean, it's her palette.
She's gonna watch this.
Yeah. I'm sure she like watches the video and she's like, isn't that mine?
I guess that's why it's good that I don't have a sister.
True.
Although it would help like raise my VIB status in Sephora.
What do you mean?
Because like my friend Arlette, she has a sister, and like together they spend the amount of like for the VIB Rouge.
Is that like the
Like
gift
they have
thing?
one card combined.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah, they get like
that's
free
smart.
shipping. Yeah, they get like free shipping,
I don't know why my sister and I haven't
and like
done
they
that.
can do a makeover whenever. Because like between the both of them, it's like easier to maintain the status and stuff.
Yeah. Like that way more?
I think this is my brush. I've been looking for it.
I don't even notice. No, it's fine. It's probably from like...
From that, yeah, it's from the butterfly shoot. Since then, I was like, where
Really?
is it? I'm like, I thought maybe you took it by
realized.
accident, but like, I don't know, I didn't care enough to ask.
I didn't even notice.
It's good for contouring. I use it for that too. I just noticed because I went to like find it
and it was like, where is it?
and so I had to use this other one from Sephora, which is like fine, but it's like
not the same.
Yeah.
I honestly didn't even notice.
This brush is the Mikasa. What is it?
Mikasa
E
F111.
F.
I never really show this contour just because like this is from like a British drugstore brand that like a lot of YouTubers liked, and it's like not in America. So I'm like,
so
there's
any
not
bronzer
really,
will do.
It won't really help unless you live in London.
Yeah. Well, you never know.
True, actually. I don't even know what it's called. It's Sleek.
Expand our viewership.
Is the brand.
So this is the Sleek bronzer.
Sleek. Smile. Okay, stop. Unless you want to keep smiling.
Let me be happy. Oh my god, I could see it to the other people's room. There was a lady just there.
Oh my goodness. I'm so aggressive when I do people's makeup.
I do that too, and then I realize I'm like, oh crap.
I know, they're just like probably not saying anything because they're like, okay.
Yeah. Now I'm like I've learned
sorry.
with gentle people. I'm like, highlighting powder in the shade
I just decided at that moment which color I was going to use. I was like, I don't know which one yet.
It looks nice. I hope the outside noises aren't like super loud.
I didn't even think of that.
I didn't think about it until now, until that giant truck passed.
How's it been like that all this time?
I have no idea. I hope not.
I used burnt orange as the starter crease color, and then I'm gonna go in with Real Gar.
Definitely fierce. Did you hear that dog?
Yeah.
It definitely feels very weird being on this side of it.
I know.
What's up?
Were you scared you already had makeup on?
No, I had to clear my saliva.
Which
What
one
is this?
Perversion by Urban Decay.
It was like a hair on it. I was trying to take it off. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video.
And if you want to know how she's going to do my makeup, then you should definitely watch the next one.
I will post it. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And yeah, just stay tuned to see the rest of the pictures and my video on FABI.
Bye.
Bye. I think you're gonna have to like sit in the same chair.
Move more of this that way. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Stand up straight. Like, are you slanted? No? Okay. Is it still recording? Oh yeah, it is.
It is?
Yeah. We have like a long ass part where we're not
Wait,
even
is it
in it.
recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.